Get ready for a fantastic journey in the world of home-based autism education. We've crafted a digital curriculum that's all about making learning fun and effective. Let's explore the 6 exciting elements that set our approach apart and create a joyful space for kids to discover and grow. Buckle up for a learning adventure where quality, movement, pictures, music, play, and loads of fun come together to unlock the potential of every autistic child. Don't rely on just one way of teaching. Use our tips and suggestions to find out which way best helps your child. Use our digital curriculum that includes the digital lessons for 20 weeks or extended up to 40 weeks. You can also use our workbooks or even our learning magazines. Prioritize captivating content over an overwhelming volume of material. Say goodbye to dull graphics and endless pages. Our curriculum engages effective learning. Everything is not planned for you, so you can change it according to your child's needs. Most curriculums are meant for classroom or traditional classroom settings. Save yourself time and money by investing in an eco-friendly, refillable, ink, all-in-one printer. Every autistic child has a different way of learning and engaging. Some have specific needs or sensitivities that need more attention. Cater to your own child's specific needs, wants, and likes. Learn with movement. Movement is vital for physical health and stimulates the mind. Dance, explore, and move freely to enhance the learning experience. Strategically place flashcards, encourage laminations of animals and objects, fostering creative engagement. Create obstacle courses, or find fun different ways of moving and learning while looking at flashcards, or even looking at the TV while moving. Whatever works best for your child. Learn with pictures. Visual learning at its best, with cute characters and dynamic graphics. Flashcards integrated into tablets, printed material, and real-life scenarios for effective identification. The curriculum incorporates strategies to boost confidence, allow children to develop at their own pace in expressing themselves, even if nonverbal, fostering memorization, understanding, and recognition without undue pressure. Use our colorful, engaging worksheets, or use our toddler busy binder pages with cute characters and amazing, vibrant colors. Flashcards are such a fun, effective way of teaching. You don't always have to sit down and have them memorize each card at a time. You can also integrate activities with movement and music. Have them match it for Montessori purposes. The best part, most are flashcards have real-life pictures that they can compare and match to with the actual characters and objects. Most of our flashcards are actually meant to encourage verbal and nonverbal communication. Use them in different devices or on hand to help them communicate with you and the world. Learn with music. Infuse joy into learning through sing-alongs and topic-specific music. Explore different channels to find the most enjoyable and educational musical experience for your child. Auditory learning. It's encouraged to make different sounds, rhythm, and even memorization. Watch them enjoy. Always keep in mind that sometimes loud noises or certain pitches can actually affect them in a negative way. Find what works best and they enjoy. Learn with play. Embrace messy, imaginative play for all holistic educational approaches. Incorporate activities that stimulate fine motor skills and gross motor development. Enhancing overall physical coordination. Sensory toys and DIY items to create an environment that fosters creativity and exploration. Being messy is fun, enjoyable, and effective. Let them explore the world in the midst of chaos and disorder. They experiment. They are kids. Let them be kids. Fine motor activities can look different for every child. Best way is to try what works best. Different ideas may include, together in the curriculum, using Play-Doh. Bubble popping is fun for hand-eye coordination, Legos and blocks, and all sorts of sensory play. Remember, there is no right way to play. Let them use their imagination. They don't have to put specific things in certain areas or have cars go in certain directions. Let them explore, use their imagination. Our curriculum also includes life skills. Learning about food, cooking, cleaning, personal hygiene, and routine. These all incorporate also methods to help with their executive functioning. Interactive learning is key. Engage with your child through play, singing, and dancing. Acknowledge achievements, make eye contact, and praise for a positive and enjoyable learning atmosphere. No one loves, cares, or works or fights as hard as you do for your child. Remember, they need you just as much as you need them.